Welcome to all my subscribers. أهلا وسهلا. Today I want to thank all of my subscribers and share with you the good news that yesterday this channel has reached 1000 plus subscribers. So I would like to thank all the subscribers who have liked and who have commented and helped my channel grow on YouTube. And without your support, it would not be possible. So thank you very much. الحمد لله وصلنا ل1000 مشترك. شكرا لكم. Every like, comment and share from you help this channel grow. Thank you. كل إعجاب، تعليق ومشاركة منكم ساعدت هذه القناة تنمو. شكرا لكم. So now I want to prepare better content for you, which will help you in your speaking and pronunciation in spoken Arabic. So what lessons do you want to see on the channel? Write to me in the comments. إيش الدروس اللي تبغوا تشوفوها في القناة؟ اكتبوا لي في التعليقات. And please excuse me for not uploading videos every day, as preparing and editing videos for YouTube without advanced tech skills is quite a challenge for me too. So please excuse me if my videos are not that perfect. It's like I'm also learning a new language like you. And also I still have a lot of work to do to complete my 4000 hours of watch time. So I hit the requirements for monetizing my channel on YouTube. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to learn spoken Arabic, Saudi Hijazi dialect. وإذا كنت أول مرة تشوفوا قناتي لا تنسوا تشتركوا. And turn on the bell so you don't miss the upcoming videos inshallah. وتفعلوا الجرس عشان توصلكم الفيديوهات الجاية inshallah. To join me in the next video. Goodbye. مع السلامة. شاركوا في الفيديو الجاي. مع السلامة. So until another new video, you can watch the videos on the end of the screen.